Today I'm cooking a simple and easy fluffy omelette. This 5 minutes all-time favorite can be served as a side dish or even a main dish. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with cracking 5 medium-sized eggs into a mixing bowl. Usually I will crack the egg into a separate bowl first, but since I know that my eggs are really fresh today, they should all be okay. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Whisk until well combined. Add 15 ml of cooking oil. This prevents it from absorbing too much oil when cooking. 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onions and 2 tablespoons of chopped red chili. This is the non-spicy type. Continue to mix until well combined. Alright, all done. Let's go and fry the egg. I recommend using a non-stick frying pan for this fluffy omelette. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 20 ml of cooking oil. Spread the oil around the pan and wait for it to heat up slightly. Add all the eggs mixture. Gently stir the egg around the pan. This allows it to cook evenly and quickly from the bottom of the pan to the top. When stirring and cooking the omelette like this, it traps some air pocket and creates a fluffy texture. Once the omelette has started to solidify at the bottom of the pan, stop stirring to form the shape and allow to cook until slightly crispy at the bottom. It will take around a minute to a minute and a half. Meanwhile, keep checking the side of the omelette. Notice that the omelette is starting to solidify at the top and it's fluffed up slightly. Alright, it is well cooked at the bottom of the pan. Okay, time to flip the omelette. I am using 2 spatulas. Flip it together at the same time. Oh no, nobody is perfect. Even I broke the omelette this time. But it's fine, it is not the end of the world. Just push and join them together. Once the omelette at the bottom is cooked, it will be one piece and perfect. Continue to cook it for a minute. See that the omelette does not look oily at all, although we have added oil in it. And now it's done. Switch off the heat. Transfer the omelette to a plate. Place a serving plate over it and flip. This is optional to hide the broken part. I am just doing this as I wanted to show the beauty of the egg at the bottom. Sprinkle some cut chilies, some cut spring onions, and serve. Look at how thick and fluffy the omelette is. Let's eat! It's well cooked with a crispy outside and is soft inside. It smells so fragrant and it is simple and delicious. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!